In this video, I'm gonna show you how I've used Claude AI to make well over $10,000 a month selling digital products. So if you decide to sell a low ticket product using Claude AI, so low ticket is anything, $1 all the way to $100 a month really. After that, it starts to be mid-ticket between $100 to $997, and beyond that, it starts to be a higher ticket. Like usually, high ticket starts at $2,000 to $3,000. Something that's really smart to do is that if you sell high ticket, nowadays you can create these artifacts, basically these fancy interactive PDFs with Claude AI or any other AI that allows you to do this, and include them inside of your monthly recurring community, and then you market those as ads specifically. Or instead of charging for it directly, if you want to sell a higher ticket offer, meaning an offer for at least $2,000, $3,000, like a full-blown online course with support, you can use these artifacts as a lead magnet, as a freebie. So basically, let's say you're in the fitness industry as an example. You could have a 30 days weight loss challenge. And now would be the perfect time to launch this actually because it's almost the summer. So now more than ever, people want to lose weight. They're paying attention. And who doesn't like a challenge? Challenges tend to do really, really well because people are engaged throughout the process. So let's say I were to help people lose weight, I'd have a 30-day challenge summer body thing. I could include it instead of my membership, which I would start at a very low price to gather buying data on Facebook. For example, $5 a month, $7 a month, $8 a month, $9 a month. You don't have to keep it at this pricing forever if you don't want to. There's advantages to increasing the price, but also keeping it super cheap. It depends on what you want to do, what strategy you want to go for. So you could include the 30-day challenge inside the membership and then make an ad around it specifically so that all the people who want it have to go inside the membership. Or if you sell a high-ticket fitness course, for example, $2,000, $3,000 for coaching or a course, you can simply use it as a free lead magnet. So you run some ads or you make some content, you tell people, download my free 30-day challenge, like my 30-day weight loss summer body challenge. And then people give you their email, phone number in exchange of that resource. And then you can work those leads into becoming high-ticket customers. And before, it used to take you like hours to create those things with Canva or Photoshop. It used to be actually pretty difficult. Nowadays, the stuff that Claude and other similar AIs can do for you in just a few minutes is insane. Now, whenever you are going to create a PDF, a cheat sheet, a tracker, an artifact, any of these things with AI, you always want to double check it, obviously. Because sometimes, like if you need to calculate certain things inside the sheet, it's not always going to be 100% accurate. And oftentimes, if it's not accurate, it's because your prompt was wrong. Like you forgot to include one data point, and so now the whole calculation inside the sheet that the AI built is just not accurate. So you need to make sure you double check these things. You don't want to start promoting something or selling it and then there's mistakes inside of it or it's just not right. And then feel free to modify what the AI does. Like if the AI gives you a prompt or like even a script for a piece of content and you don't like how it sounds, how it feels, modify it. Don't use it like word for word. You want to inject your personality and your values inside of it too. Because you can rely on having a transformation business, meaning you help people to achieve a specific outcome, or you can create more of a proximity business, meaning people buy not necessarily because they really want the info. They might want the info, but they buy, and most importantly, they stay because they like you, because they relate to you, because you become almost like their friend. They like hanging out with you. This is literally what influencers are doing. Like, why do you think people are buying Mr. Beast's merch or like his burgers, his chocolate bars? That's because people like him. He can show up in a place, make a story and say, hey, meet me at this place. There's going to be like tens of thousands of people who show up. It's not because he has some magic information to share, obviously not. It's because people like him. So they buy everything that he releases pretty much. And this kind of business is actually more powerful than simply selling information because you can ask ChatGPT for information. Now, it's not going to be enough if you want to achieve a profound transformation because AI, yes, it gives information, but it's got no actual experience of doing something. Like if you only rely on AI for coaching on how to start a business or how to scale your business, you're probably not going to go that far because the AI, yes, it gives you info, but again, it's never done it itself. Like it doesn't really know the subtleties. It's still going to be generic and basic. On that note, if you want to learn exactly how I stopped selling my time and made upwards of $2,600 in a single day in profit selling info products. By that, what I mean is online courses. When you're done watching this video, you can click on the link in the description below. There is a free training that explains exactly how I did that. But most importantly, on that same page, you'll be able to fill out a form and apply to book a free one-to-one consultation call with me. On that call, I'm going to take a look at your current situation, why what you've tried hasn't worked so far, and also I'm going to give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start or scale your online course business. That way you can make more money and have a lot of fun without spending more time inside the business. Because if your income is capped by how many hours you work in a job or even in a business that you've got currently, well, you're always going to reach a ceiling. And scalability is fun. We want to make more without working more. This is what billionaires do. So again, when you're done watching this, book your free call. The link is in the description below. But if I were you, I would not wait too long because I've got limited time. I'm pretty damn busy. I run multiple different operations, so I don't have the time to talk to everyone. And I don't know for how long I'm going to keep offering these free one-to-one sessions. The main advantage of selling low-ticket products is that according to my mentor, and she's a fucking genius, it's much easier to give someone $7 worth of value, like even $100 worth of value, than it is to give someone $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 worth of value. That's actually harder to achieve. Like if you charge $7 or $7 a month, you really have to, like, I don't know, do crazy shit to over-promise and under-deliver because it's so cheap. And the easiest person to buy something more expensive from you is not a complete stranger. It's actually a current customer. I had this mentor at some point, like in sales, who told me, if you were a Ferrari sales rep and you had to go sell a new Ferrari right now, otherwise you couldn't keep the job, how would you do it? And he explained that the best way to sell a Ferrari quickly was to sell a Ferrari to people who already own Ferraris, because they already like, know, and trust the brand. They probably want to buy another one anyway. Whereas if you go and try to convince people who like, I don't know, Lamborghinis to go and buy a Ferrari, they might just not want to because they love Lamborghini. We like the things we are familiar with, and we tend to go for those things again. Like I'm sure there's a meal that you love and you can eat that meal all the fucking time. Now some people really don't like that. They want to eat a new different food every single day. I'm not like that. I can eat the same thing for like months, even years on end. And it takes me like years to get sick of it. Now, if you're not going to go for low ticket, you want to do high ticket, instead what I would do is use Claude to create my client resources. For example, I can create the cheat sheets, the trackers, I can create the artifacts, the PDFs, etc. And also I can create free lead magnets. So I give my lead the thing I built with AI, the tracker, the cheat sheet, the checklist, whatever, the PDF, and then in exchange they give me their phone number and email address. So I grow my list and I can get more high ticket customers, and the AI made the freebies for me. So that's one way I use AI in my business, but I also use AI daily in my business for different things. For example, for me specifically, one of the main ways I'm using AI is to edit my videos in less than 20-25 minutes per video. So all I have to do is to slap the footage onto Premiere Pro, just make sure it's like centered and right, and then there's a text feature, so I go inside of it, and the AI is going to transcribe the text, analyze it, and it's going to find all the pauses inside my video. So all the moments I'm just breathing, all the moments I'm making mistakes or I'm not really talking, etc., it's gonna see exactly where they are in the transcript of my video, and then in just 2 clicks, I can delete all the pauses inside my video, and then I just rewatch it, add a few things, and boom, the video is ready to go, and it gets me high-ticket customers. This has saved me like hours per day, because before, I used to have to make the cuts myself. I used to have to watch the video, make a little cut, watch again, make a little cut, remove all the pauses manually. It took hours. I fucking hated it. Nowadays, video editing, like very simple video editing, I'm not doing any fancy, it's easy for anyone. And you get to save thousands of dollars per month you'd otherwise have to spend on a video editor. And sometimes, like if you do educational content, spending money on a video editor is not necessarily the best thing. Like you should do it, yes, obviously, it saves you time, duh. But my point is you don't need the fancy animations, you don't necessarily need the fancy editing, etc. I mean, I tried it, and I did not get more views and I did not get more customers. You see people blowing up on YouTube doing literally anything. Simple videos with no editing and videos with tons of editing every 2 seconds. But usually the kind of people who buy high ticket stuff, they don't need the editing every 2 fucking seconds. If you can afford it, it's good to have good editing because you will increase retention on your videos. Most people can't watch something like for 10 minutes without something happening every 2 seconds on the screen. And that's actually just so sad. Because nowadays making content is literally like making Netflix movies or Netflix series. And if you can't do that, which is extremely fucking hard to do, the algorithm barely notices you. Now that being said, if you sell something high ticket, you don't need that many views to get a lot of clients. That's the good news. With only 1,000 views, like you can still get some clients. And if each client pays you 2K to 10K plus, well now you barely need views to actually make a lot of money. And funnily enough, a lot of big influencers, they've got hundreds of thousands of followers, millions of followers, they're actually fucking broke. Like for their subscriber count, they barely make any money. Why? Because they're entertainment content creators, or they're so good at creating the content, getting the attention, but they're shit at monetizing it. And they haven't even built an audience of buyers. They've built an audience of people who want to be entertained for free. And the second you try to sell them something, they'll want to kill you like it's a witch hunt. It's fucking insane. Like they want you to spend all your time for free entertaining them, but they don't want to pay to like help the quality of their content be better and like thank you for it. It's fucking insane. I would never want to do entertainment content, like never. On that note, if you want to learn exactly how I stopped selling my time and made upwards of $2,600 in a single day in profit selling info products, by that what I mean is online courses, when you're done watching this video, you can click on the link in the description below. There is a free training that explains exactly how I did that, but most importantly on that same page, you'll be able to fill out a form and apply to book a free one-to-one consultation call with me. On that call, I'm gonna take a look at your current situation, why what you've tried hasn't worked so far, and also I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start or scale your online course business. That way you can make more money and have a lot of fun without spending more time inside the business. Because if your income is capped by how many hours you work in a job or even in a business that you've got currently, well, you're always gonna reach a ceiling. And scalability is fun. We want to make more without working more. This is what billionaires do. So again, when you're done watching this, book your free call. The link is in the description below. But if I were you, I would not wait too long because I've got limited time. I'm pretty damn busy. I run multiple different operations, so I don't have the time to talk to everyone. And I don't know for how long I'm going to keep offering these free one-to-one sessions. Another way that I use AI is to summarize meetings and sales calls. Nowadays in Zoom, they've got a feature which is basically an AI summary. I love those. It's really, really great because you don't have to listen to the whole meeting anymore. You can just look at the AI summary and find exactly what you need. It's golden for that. The same thing goes with meeting. If like me, you often do Q&A calls, like group calls with customers, well, instead of having to like find the timestamps manually and stuff, it is a nightmare. You can just put it into an AI or it's directly inside of Zoom. And now, like, that's it. It's pretty easy to do. The other way that I also use AI daily in my business, specifically when it comes to making content, is sometimes I don't know what I'm going to talk about in a video. So I tell Claude, okay, this is exactly what my video is about. This is the kind of person I want to attract to sell my high ticket program. Can you just give me a few ideas of what I need to talk about in my video? And sometimes I find 3 points, but I want to talk about 4 things. It's going to find me the 4th thing I'm going to talk about. And sometimes I just don't know. Like I get writer's block, so I tell the AI and it gives me ideas automatically. I might not use what the AI told me exactly, but I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna use my own ideas. It's gonna give me ideas. Otherwise, I would have been staring at a blank page for hours. And something else I do too is sometimes I'm gonna see a competitor's video on my feed. The title and the thumbnail are great. I know that it's something that could get me customers as well. It's what my ideal customer watches. I'm gonna take that video. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm going to take the transcript, put it into an AI, and tell it to summarize it for me. And then based on that, I'll get, again, ideas on how I can make my video on the same topic, but make it better and different. And finally, something you need to understand is that at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. Just because you use AI in your business does not guarantee your business is going to be more successful. It doesn't. AI's goal is to make you more efficient, to make you do things more easily, to help you do higher quality work in less time. However, just because you do something AI doesn't mean you're gonna be successful. I've got so many people who come to me and they say, I want to do an AI agency, etc., etc. But these people don't know shit about AI. Like, how do you sell AI services if you don't know shit about AI? It takes a long time to learn and it can be very, very expensive. It's much easier to sell digital products with AI because think about it. If you sell a service, even if you use some AI to do it, you are still working for a boss. Because you only have a few customers, they are your boss. They tell you, I want this done, do it. And you gotta do it. You gotta spend your own time on it. I know people who do AI services, they make 100K per year, they make even like 200K, 300 grand a year, and they work all day, every day, 7 days a week. Like they make good money, but they're not free really. And these guys often end up selling digital products. Why? Because that's how you make 100K per month, 200K per month, while only working 1 to 4 hours a day. So if you'd rather make 25K per month working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's up to you. But the only people I know who sustain this, they absolutely fucking love AI. So take from that what you will. If you want to learn exactly how I stopped selling my time and made upwards of $2,600 in a single day in profit selling info products, by that what I mean is online courses, when you're done watching this video, you can click on the link in the description below. There is a free training that explains exactly how I did that. But most importantly, on that same page, you'll be able to fill out a form and apply to book a free one-to-one consultation call with me. On that call, I'm gonna take a look at your current situation, why what you've tried hasn't worked so far, and also I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start or scale your online course business. That way you can make more money and have a lot of fun without spending more time inside the business. Because if your income is capped by how many hours you work in a job or even in a business that you've got currently, well, you're always going to reach a ceiling. And scalability is fun. We want to make more without working more. This is what billionaires do. So again, when you're done watching this, book your free call. The link is in the description below. But if I were you, I would not wait too long because I've got limited time. I'm pretty damn busy. I run multiple different operations, so I don't have the time to talk to everyone. And I don't know for how long I'm going to keep offering these free one-to-one sessions.